Hello everyone and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be looking on how to add the Metadium network. So with that said, without further ado, let's get started right into it. So the first thing you have to make sure is that you have Metamask downloaded. All you have to do is go to Google, search for Metamask, as you can see right here, and you will be able to access this web page. Click download now and you're good to go. After that, click your extension. As you can see right here, it will be on the top right corner, and then you will be greeted with something like this. After doing that, as I said, we're going to be adding the Metadium network. So the network name doesn't really matter, but just for educational purposes, we're gonna use that name. So after that, just come here to this website or copy this as I am copying it right now, https://api.metadium.com/prod. After that, the chain ID will be 11 and the current symbol will be meta. With that, that's all you need for today's tutorial. And with that said, tell us what you think about all of this in the comment section. I'd love to hear all of your opinions, all of your ideas, and see new networks you guys want to watch videos about. And yeah, peace.